welcome another after work drift event, our July event. As you can see, some guys are driving, some people are looking from outside. Everybody's all smiles, so that's what it's all about. So I'll show you some of the action, and I'll hope to see you next time here too. So let's check it out. Let's put in some laps out here. I gotta check if I can do some video recording while driving. I don't have my helmet here, I don't have a mount for in the car, so let's just see how this goes. We got some nice cars today, some people testing their new cars, as you can see. And more cars on track. People are having fun still, no major issues so far. No one ran into the gravel pits, which is a major issue out here because of all the parked cars, as you might have seen in one of the other videos. So yeah, let's go have some fun. I'll show you more in a minute. Up and killed a lot of cones, dropped them all in the gravel. So obviously what you need to do, what I do anyways for all the clients too, go set them up again. And here what we need to do, put some more water, because from there to up there there's not a lot of water on the surface, so it really grips up there, and it's kind of hard for the beginners out here.
rein! Unten rein! 3 Autos nacheinander, alle drüber.
Warte mal, ich kann rausnehmen, weil die anderen nicht.
Sehr gut.
Danke dir.
Ah, ja. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I hope you're all safe out there. I hope you enjoy what we do. If you do so, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you can, join it. If you can, join in next time. We're back here in August and we're hitting the racetracks coming next week at Alain-Durand, Dijon, etc. So make sure to join the fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.